Good morning, my kids. How are you all? Hope you all are fit and fine. Kids, tell me what we learned yesterday in English. Yes, O sound words from our classwork book. And we also wrote some words in our classwork book, right? So today we will write some more O sound words in our English classwork book. But before that, we will quickly revise all O sound words orally. O sound words: D-O-G dog, D-O-G dog, P-O-T pot, P-O-T pot, B-O-Y boy, B-O-Y boy, T-O-P top, T-O-P top, M-O-P mop, M-O-P mop, R-O-D rod, R-O-D rod, L-O-G log, L-O-G log, H-O-T hot, H-O-T hot, P-O-D pod, P-O-D pod, D-O-T dot, D-O-T dot, F-O-X fox, F-O-X fox, C-O-T cot, C-O-T cot. So kids, now we will write some more O sound words in our English classwork book, page number 106 and 107. Kids, first we will write today's date, 1/4/14-1-2121, 14th January 2021. What is this? This is a mop. M-O-P mop. M-O-P mop. For alphabet M, make a standing line, go up, make a curve, come down standing, go up, make a curve, come down standing. For O, make a C curve, then make a reverse C curve. For P, make a standing line, go up, make a reverse C curve. M-O-P mop, M-O-P mop. Again we will write M-O-P mop. M-O-P mop. What is this? This is a rod. R-O-D rod. R-O-D rod. So for alphabet R, make a standing line, go up and make a small curve. For O, make a C curve, then reverse C curve. For D, make a standing line, go up and then make a C curve. R-O-D rod, R-O-D rod. Again we will write R-O-D rod. R-O-D rod. What is this? This is a log. L-O-G log. L-O-G log. So for alphabet L, make a standing line. For O, make a C curve, then reverse C curve. For G, make a C curve, go up, come down, standing and make a curve. L-O-G log. L-O-G log. Again we will write L-O-G log. L O G log. What is this? Hot. H-O-T hot. 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 So for alphabet H, make a standing line, go up, make a curve, come down standing. For O, make a C curve, then make a reverse C curve. For T, make a standing line, then make a curve and a slipping line. H-O-T hot. 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 Again we will write H O T hot. H O T hot. Now kids, we will write in our English class workbook page number 107. Kids, in this page also we will write first date 14-1-21-21 14th January 2021. What is this? This is a pod. P-O-D pod. Per order pod. So for alphabet P, first we will make a standing line, then we will go up, make a reverse C curve. For alphabet O, make a C curve, then make a reverse C curve. For D, we will make a standing line, then we will go up and make a C curve. P-O-D pod. Per order pod. Again we will write per or the pod. P O D pod. What is this? This is a dot. D-O-T dot. Dot. So for alphabet D, we will make a standing line, then go up, make a C curve. For O, we will make a C curve, then reverse C curve. For T, make a standing line, make a small curve and a slipping line. D-O-T dot. Dot. Again we will write D O T dot. D O T dot. What is this? This is a fox. F-O-X fox. For oxer fox. So for alphabet F, we will make a curve and come down standing and slipping line. For O, make a C curve, then make a reverse C curve. For X, one slanting line, another slanting line. F-O-X fox. For oxer fox. Again we will write for oxer fox. F O X fox. What is this? This is a cot. C-O-T cot. 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 So for alphabet C, we will make a C curve. For O, we will make a C curve, then reverse C curve. For T, we will make a standing line, then small curve and a slipping line. C-O-T cot. 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 O T cot. C O T cot. Like this way you have to complete writing work by yourself in your English class workbook page number 106 and 107. Kids, you also have to finish your writing work in your homework book page number 69 and 70. Kids, now we will do one activity related to O sound words. Kids, here are the pictures of O sound words under which I have written 3 O sound words. What we have to do? We have to recognize the picture and we will read all 3 words. Then we will circle the correct word. Let's start. Which picture is this? This is a fox. Now read the spellings. P-O-T, pot. P-O-T, pot. F-O-X, fox. F-O-X, fox. C-O-T, cot. C-O-T, cot. So this is a fox. So we will circle fox. Which picture is this? Hot. Now read the spellings. H-O-T, hot. H-O-T, hot. R-O-D, rod. R-O-D, rod. C-O-T, cot. C-O-T, cot. So this is hot. So we will circle H-O-T, hot. H-O-T, hot. Now which picture is this? Yes, this is a dot. So now read the spellings. L-O-G, log. L-O-G, log. P-O-D, pod. P-O-D, pod. D-O-T, dot. D-O-T, dot. So this is a dot. So we will circle D-O-T, dot. D-O-T, dot. Which picture is this? Yes, this is a pot. So now read the spellings. T-O-P, top. T-O-P, top. M-O-P, mop. M-O-P, mop. P-O-T, pot. P-O-T, pot. Yes, so this is the correct word. So we will circle it. Which picture is this? Boy. Now read the spellings. L-O-G, log. L-O-G, log. B-O-Y, boy. B-O-Y, boy. P-O-D, pod. P-O-D, pod. So this is a boy. So we will circle the word boy. Which picture is this? This is a dog. So first we will read the spellings. D-O-G, dog. D-O-G, dog. F-O-X, fox. F-O-X, fox. R-O-D, rod. R-O-D, rod. So this is a dog. We will circle D-O-G, dog. D-O-G, dog. See kids, like this way you can do this activity with other O sound words also. I hope kids you all have learned how to read and write O sound words, right? So keep practicing it at home. See you soon. Bye bye. Take care.